Welcome to Health Bulletin, and today we're exploring a fascinating discovery that sheds light on the ongoing process of human evolution. You've heard of natural selection in the distant past, but what if I told you it's happening today, right before our eyes? A new study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences has revealed how Tibetan women living on the world's highest plateau have adapted in extraordinary ways to survive and thrive in some of the most inhospitable conditions on Earth. This is not just a story about survival, it's about evolution in motion. The study, led by Cynthia Beale from Case Western Reserve University, focused on 417 Tibetan women living in Upper Mostang, Nepal, at altitudes between 12,000 and 14,000 feet. These women live in an oxygen-scarce environment where the average person would struggle to breathe. So how do they manage to not only survive but thrive? The answer lies in their physiology. The study found that women with the most live births, indicating higher reproductive success, had unique blood and heart traits that allowed for more efficient oxygen delivery. Unlike typical high-altitude adaptations where hemoglobin levels skyrocket to compensate for low oxygen, these women had near-average hemoglobin levels but much higher oxygen saturation in their blood. This means their bodies deliver oxygen more efficiently without thickening the blood, a balancing act that protects their hearts from overworking. This is ongoing natural selection at work, shaping human biology in real time. What's even more fascinating is the genetic story behind these adaptations. Researchers identified a trait likely passed down from the Denisovans, an ancient human species that lived in Siberia around 50,000 years ago. The trait, specifically a variant of the EPAS1 gene, regulates hemoglobin levels and is unique to populations indigenous to the Tibetan plateau. This gene variant has given Tibetans a distinct evolutionary advantage, enabling them to handle the harsh conditions of high altitudes where oxygen is scarce. It's a perfect example of how ancient genetic material from an extinct species can influence the survival of modern humans. But this isn't just a story about Tibetans, it's a glimpse into the incredible adaptability of human beings. The insights from this study aren't just relevant to understanding life on the Tibetan plateau, they can help us anticipate how humans might respond to future environmental challenges, whether it's climate change, extreme altitudes, or other stressors that push our biology to its limits. This research also has significant implications for understanding hypoxia-related illnesses, like altitude sickness or conditions where the body's oxygen supply is compromised. Here you can see how oxygen levels drop as the altitude increases. What we learn from Tibetan women could potentially shape how we approach medicine, helping us treat heart disease and other disorders related to oxygen deprivation. Tibetan women are living proof that evolution is not a thing of the past, it's an ongoing process. Their resilience in the face of harsh conditions shows us how the human body can adapt in remarkable ways, and it opens up exciting new avenues for research into human health and survival. But here's the bigger question. As we face new global challenges, with rising altitudes in certain regions due to climate change, or even future space exploration, and how will human evolution respond? Are we prepared to adapt to the environments we may soon be forced to live in? Thank you for watching Health Bulletin. Make sure to subscribe for more insights in science and health that's shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.